Now, the next question, or the first question could be, what kind of timer do you have? And how many lights can you have on that timer? Well, I don't know the answer exactly. All I do know is that that timer is set up and designed for low voltage wiring. And I've seen lots of landscape areas with way more lights than I want to put in, way more lights than I want in the backyard. And the backyard and the front yard are all hooked together on low voltage wiring. Okay? That's the first thing you want to know is it low voltage wiring? And usually for landscape lights, it's on low voltage wiring, you know. And if you have a question, you want to look at the wire and make a determination. Now if you don't know, you can take a little piece of wire, you can disconnect it off of one of your first light fixtures. You can cut off a little piece of wire, yay long if you want. Go to the hardware store, ask them, hey, first off, I got a question for you. Is that low voltage wiring? And it'll probably be low voltage wiring. Low voltage wiring usually only has 2 wires in it that you can split. This is kind of hard to see, but there's a groove in the middle. There's 2 wires there. You pull that apart, it kind of rips apart, and there's 2 wires, one there and one on that side. And usually those wires are stranded wire, meaning little tiny little wires that you wrap together, and that's what stranded wire is. Okay. Here's the light. Here's the light. The new light fixture right here. You see how it kind of pulls apart like that, and see that wire? See how it's all pushed together? That's called stranded wire, and it looks like a solid piece, but it's just because I twisted it all together. And that's the first thing you want to do. Second thing, don't kid yourself. You still want to cut off a little piece of your existing wire, take it to the hardware store. Why? Because low voltage wiring comes in 3 different sizes, and I didn't even know that until I went to the store. And mind you, I told you I've never installed this stuff before, right? So you're getting the meat and potatoes of this entire system right here. Okay, see that landscape wire, low voltage, 12-2, black stranded. This happens to be 100 feet. Now, believe it or not, they had some other landscape wire, low voltage, 14-2. Then they had some 16-2. The higher the number, the smaller size the wire. Okay? And so that's why you've got to take your existing wire in, because you don't want to put if you got 12 volt wiring, which is a fatter stranded wire, you don't want to start adding lights and getting wire. Oh well, I'll get the 16-2 because the 16-2 wire, even though it's thinner, it's way cheaper. This thing right here, believe it or not, was over $80 for 100 feet. Yeah, I think the 14-2 was 60 some odd. The 16-2 was $48 or something like that. And the thing is, sometimes they have different lengths. I've seen it before where they sold this 75 feet or 50 feet. So, but the store I happen to go to, I happen to see 100 feet. I'm not really going to need 100 feet. Okay, I'll have to save it, and I can always have it for in case somebody needs it, or I have a project to do for somebody and I've got the wire for them or something. I didn't see it, okay, but I think they have it in 75 feet, 50 feet. It might have been up on a different shelf. I would happen to be looking down at the bottom. I should have looked. My loss is your gain. Look and see. Then you have to decide how much more wire do you need. If they had a 50-foot roll, I could probably do everything in 50 feet. But I'm going to be adding some lights, and I know I'm going to have to do different things. I'll probably put another the downlight there, and I've got another downlight there, but I don't have to run the wire all the way from there to there, because you remember this wire goes all the way through here, and so I have to dig down and find it, and then I can tap off that to put it. So I don't need very much wire there at all, do I? My main thing was I needed some extra wire because I don't have a wire from here over to there, do I? Because there never was anything there before. So But either way, I knew I needed 12.2. I needed size 12 wire, because when I took this wire apart, initially the wire seemed pretty thick, and there it was pretty thick when I stripped this, and so I thought, nope, I'm gonna get the 12 wire, the 12 gauge wire. So that's what I did. Okay, so you gotta decide that, and then decide which wire to get. Okay.